Are you ready to turn your business idea into a reality? It all starts with a winning business plan. A solid business plan is your roadmap to success. And today, we're going to show you how to create one that stands out. Stay tuned, because this video could be the key to unlocking your entrepreneurial dreams. Welcome back to Redwood Capital Solutions LLC, your trusted source for business insights and strategies. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss our valuable content. And don't forget to check out our website at redwoodcapitalsolutionsllc.com for more resources. A business plan is more than just a document. It's your vision, your strategy, and your path to success. Let's break down the essential components of a winning business plan and how to craft each section to impress investors and guide your business journey. First things first, the executive summary. This is the most crucial part of your business plan as it provides a snapshot of your entire plan. Keep it concise, engaging, and compelling. Highlight your business concept, financial features, and growth potential. Remember, this is your elevator pitch on paper. Business expert. Your executive summary should capture the essence of your business and grab the reader's attention. It's often the first thing investors read, so make it count. Next up, market analysis. Show that you've done your homework. Research your industry, target market, and competitors. Include data on market size, growth potential, and trends. Demonstrating a deep understanding of the market shows that you're prepared and informed. Market analyst. Understanding your market is critical. Investors want to see that there's a demand for your product or service, and that you've identified your target audience clearly. Now let's talk about the company description. Describe your business structure, the type of business, and what you plan to sell or provide. Detail your mission, vision, and values. Highlight what sets you apart from the competition and why your business will succeed. Business owner. Our mission is to deliver sustainable and innovative solutions. By emphasizing our unique approach and values, we've attracted like-minded investors and customers. Product line or services. Here, you need to explain what you're selling or what service you're providing. Focus on the benefits to the customer and your unique selling points. If you have any intellectual property, like patents or trademarks, mention them here. Product manager. Our product offers several unique features that solve key customer pain points. Highlighting these in our business plan has been crucial in demonstrating our value proposition. Marketing and sales strategy. Outline how you plan to attract and retain customers. Include your marketing channels, sales strategies, and customer acquisition cost. Show that you have a clear plan for reaching your target market and generating revenue. Marketing expert. A well-defined marketing and sales strategy shows investors that you know how to reach your audience and convert them into customers. It's essential for demonstrating your business's potential for growth. Next, the operational plan. Describe your business's day-to-day operations, including your location, facilities, equipment, and the processes you have in place. This section should also cover your supply chain, inventory management, and quality control measures. Operations. Manager. Detailing our operational plan helped us identify potential bottlenecks and streamline our processes. It's an essential part of showing how our business will run smoothly. Financial plan and projections. This is where you detail your business's financial future. Include income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets. Provide projections for the next 3 to 5 years. Don't forget to explain your funding requirements and how you plan to use the funds. Financial advisor. Accurate financial projections show investors that you have a realistic understanding of your business's financial future. It's crucial for securing funding and demonstrating viability. Finally, the appendix. This section includes any additional information that can support your business plan, such as resumes, permits, lease agreements, and other legal documents. It's the place to provide anything that adds credibility to your plan. Business consultant. Including relevant documents in the appendix helps provide a complete picture of your business. It shows that you've covered all your bases and are prepared for any questions. So there you have it. A winning business plan includes a compelling executive summary, detailed market analysis, thorough company description, comprehensive product line, robust marketing and sales strategy, efficient operational plan, accurate financial projections, and a well-organized appendix. Crafting each section carefully can make all the difference in turning your business idea into a successful reality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Redwood Capital Solutions LLC for more insights like these. And don't forget to visit our website at redwoodcapitalsolutionsllc.com for additional resources and support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.